That trendy moss wall at your favorite coffee shop, it costs under $30 to make it home, and it never needs watering. Step 1. Grab a wooden panel or canvas frame, preserved sheet moss, reindeer moss, and mood moss, plus a hot glue gun or floral adhesive. Preserved moss is treated with glycerin, so it stays soft and green for years with zero care. Step 2. Sketch your design in pencil first. A mountain silhouette, a wave, or an abstract cluster works great. Lay the moss pieces on the board dry to test the layout before any glue touches the surface. Step 3. Starting from one edge, tear sheet moss into small chunks and glue it down to build your base layer. Overlap the pieces slightly so no bare wood or canvas peeks through underneath. Step 4. Layer in reindeer moss for pops of texture and mood moss clumps for height and shadow. Press each piece firmly for 10 seconds so the glue bonds before you move to the next section. Pro tip: never use live moss indoors. It needs constant moisture and indirect light, and it browns and dies within weeks. Stick with preserved moss for a piece that lasts. What pattern would you try? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.